In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track phone call conversions in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up call tracking so you can see which ads are driving real conversations with your business and optimize your budget toward what actually works. First, open your Google Ads account in your browser and sign in. From the main dashboard, head to the section labeled Goals. This area brings together all the measurement tools you'll use to understand what actions your advertising is generating, from purchases and form submissions to, in this case, phone calls. Inside Goals, select Conversions. This page lists any conversion actions you already have and is where you'll create new ones. Think of a conversion action as the specific outcome you want to measure. Because we want to measure inbound calls that result from your ads, we'll set up a conversion that records those phone interactions. Choose the option to create a new conversion. You'll see different sources you can track. Select Call. Call conversions are designed to capture the value of customers who prefer to pick up the phone, and they work alongside features like call extensions and call-focused ads. Proceed by clicking Create Conversion to continue. You're now defining the call conversion action that will appear across your account. This setup links Google's call reporting to your campaigns, so calls can be attributed back to the clicks and keywords that triggered them. Next, choose Calls from Ads and confirm by selecting Done. This choice tracks calls that originate directly from your ads, such as when someone taps a phone number in a call extension or a call ad. Google uses a forwarding number in supported regions to measure these calls and connect them to the right ad interaction. That gives you clear reporting on how many calls your ads generated, along with details like call start time and duration. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review the conversion action's basic settings on the confirmation screen. You can customize items like the conversion name, whether or not you assign a monetary value, how calls are counted, and minimum call length thresholds later if needed. For reliable tracking, make sure your campaigns actually display a phone number via a call, extension, or a call ad, and be aware that call reporting must be available in your country for full attribution. Click Done to save. From here, give the system time to gather data. As calls come in from your ads, you'll see them attributed to this conversion action in your reporting, helping you evaluate performance and bid more confidently toward high-quality leads. That's all you need to start tracking phone call conversions in Google Ads.